Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to deliver files on WhatsApp on every successful Shopify order. So imagine this, you are a Shopify seller. You are selling some audio files, video files or even PDFs on Shopify. So a guy called as John has made a purchase from your Shopify store. Let's say he has purchased some audio files. Okay, so you want to send these audio files on John's WhatsApp number. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you copy all the details of John from Shopify, sort it out, upload this file and manually send it on WhatsApp. The problem with this approach is it's actually very tiresome and very repetitive. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation. So here, when a new order is created in Shopify, it will automatically deliver this file on WhatsApp. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Shopify and WhatsApp. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So this is my Shopify store, and imagine this, a customer is making a purchase. So he's going to purchase this particular product, Java for Kids. So this is a programming lessons for kids, okay, Java programming for kids, and the customer is making a purchase. So basically this is an ebook, okay. Now imagine the customer is filling his details. So the name of the customer is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗓@gmail.com. This is the email, and the first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel. This is the company. This is the address, this is the apartment, this is the city, this is the country, and of course this is the state. Let me just enter the state, okay. So this is the state, and this is the pin code, and this is the phone number, the WhatsApp number where he will be getting the link of the PDF. Okay, so let me just click on continue to payment. Okay, so we have to enter the card number. So these are the credit card details of this guy, and this is the security code. So let me just click on pay now. Okay, so a purchase has been made by a guy called as Aaron. So what we are going to do here is we are going to check into the WhatsApp profile of this guy whether he has got the link of the PDF. So the guy's name is Aaron, so this is his WhatsApp profile. Yes, he has got the message Java programming for kids, and this is the link that he has to click on, and he has clicked on this link and it's opening up. So this is the PDF that he is going to get, Java for Kids. Excellent. And these are the details, these are the course. Excellent. So basically that's what we want to do. Anytime a purchase is made by a customer, he will be getting the URL of the PDF on his WhatsApp number. Now to begin the actual integration process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here, just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Shopify to WhatsApp. Shopify to WhatsApp. And then just click on Create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Now there is something you should know, that we are going to create a new workflow. So after creating this workflow, I will attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it to your account by signing up for free. So this is the trigger window, and here in the choose app, how about we make it as Shopify, because we want to send the data from Shopify. That is why Shopify. Now in the trigger event, we want to send the data when a new order is made. So let's make it as new order. Okay, so new order is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new order is made in Shopify, then what action should be taken by the system? Now there are many more trigger events: new cart, new checkout, new collection, new product, new refund, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now, in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new order is made in Shopify. So basically, the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Shopify to Pabbly Connect. So let me just take you to my Shopify store. So this is my Shopify store. Just let me log in. Okay, so this is my Shopify store. So what we are trying to do here is, initially we will be integrating Shopify to Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do here is, at the left bottom you will find the option called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, so in the settings page you will find the option called as notifications. Click this. Okay, so this is the notifications page. So let me just scroll down, and here at the near bottom you will find the option called as webhooks. Just click on create webhook. Okay, so this is the dialog box, and here in the event, how about we make it as order creation? Order creation, yeah, this one, because basically we want to send the data when a new order is made in Shopify. The format will remain same as JSON. Now coming to the most important part, the URL. So to get the URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so the webhook API version will remain same, and just click on Save Webhook. Okay, so the creation of a webhook basically means we have successfully integrated Shopify to Pabbly Connect. So this basically means anytime a new order is created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to Shopify, okay, and I'm going back to this online store, okay, and I'm going to make a purchase once again. So these are the catalog, and my product is located here. So this is the product Java for Kids. So I'm selecting this, okay, and I'm going to make a purchase. Okay, so this time the guy's name is let's say Tom Cruise. Okay, so this guy is tomcruise1234@gmail.com. The first name is Tom, the last name is Cruise. This is the company he works in, this is the address, this is the city, this is the country, state, pin code, and of course this is the phone number. So basically he will be getting the PDF, the link of this PDF in this particular phone number, which is the WhatsApp number. So let me just click on continue to. Okay, so we are going to enter the details of Tom Cruise once again. Okay, so these are the security code. So let me just click on pay now. Okay, so the order is being processed. Excellent. So a purchase has been made by Tom Cruise. So the purchase is of Java programming for kids. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Shopify, let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured the details of Tom Cruise. So let's have a look. Yes, there are the details. So this is the email tomcruise1234@gmail.com, and this is the price 100. This is the subtotal price 100. Okay, and then we have let me just show you the phone number, the address, and all those details of Tom Cruise. So where are those? So let me just scroll down even more. So this is the product that he has purchased, Java programming for kids. And then we have the rest of the details. Nope. Yes, these are the details we want. The first name is Tom. This is the address. This is the phone number where we will be sending the WhatsApp link, the link of the PDF of WhatsApp, and then we have the city, and then this is the zip code. Excellent. So basically we have got all the details. Now I'm going to show you the Google Drive where this particular PDF is located. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take you to my Google Drive. So this is the drive. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the PDF that is Java programming for kids. So in the first stage, what we did is we extracted the information of the customer that has made a purchase in Shopify store to Pabbly Connect. Now in the second stage, we want to share the link of this particular PDF to that customer. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So here we will make it as Google Drive because we want to share the link of that particular PDF. So in the action event, how about we make it as share a file with anyone, Okay, then let me just click on connect with Google Drive. In the new credentials, just let me connect with Google Drive. So these are the Gmail accounts I have, and in this particular Gmail account, this particular PDF is located. Okay, so let me just click on this particular account. Now Pabbly Connect is asking me to confirm my choice. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Now in the file ID, it is showing Java programming for kids.pdf. So these are all the files that is present in my Google Drive. So let me just show you. We have Java programming, C++ for kids, cars and trucks brochure, and all those things. So basically, these are all the files that is present here is being shown here. Okay, Java programming, C++ for kids, and cars and trucks brochure, and all those things. So I want to share this particular file, Java programming for kids. So I have selected it, and let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is now showing the link. So this is the link that we want to share with our customer. Okay, so this is the Google Drive link. Now to share the link to our customer on WhatsApp, we will be using Chat API. So let me just scroll down and let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so when we click on this plus button, another action window opens up. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Chat API? chat API. Okay, so now in the action event, we are going to send a file using a link. So let me just click on send link. Okay, send link is an action event. There are many more action events like send message, create group, forward message, send location. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send a link on WhatsApp. So let me just click on connect with chat API. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the API URL as well as the token. So to get the API URL as well as the token, let me just take you to chat API. So this is my chat API account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this API URL. Okay, I have copied this and I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered our API URL. Now coming to the token, so I'm just going to copy this again. Okay, I have copied this and I'm going to paste it here. So we have entered our token. So we have entered the API URL as well as the token. So let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to construct a message in WhatsApp from the data that we have received from Shopify via Pabbly Connect. So how about we start mapping? Now, before we start mapping, there is something you should know. Base64 encoding. So what is this? So I will explain you in a very few simple terms. So Base64 is an encoding scheme that converts binary data into textual data so that the encoded textual data can be easily transported over networks, which is uncorrupted and without any data loss. So the problem with sending normal binary data to a network is that bits can be misread, which produces incorrect data in the receiving node. And so that is why we have to convert using this code. So if you don't get it, it's actually very simple. So basically you are going to share the URL. So basically this is the URL that you are going to share on WhatsApp. Now, if you don't convert it using Base64, then it will give incorrect results. So to convert using Base64, it's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is just click on this plus button. Don't worry, there is no need for any coding or anything. All you have to do is just in the choose app, how about we make data transformer? Okay, data transformer it is. Okay, so now in the action event, we have to select Base64 encode. Then click on connect with data transformer. Okay, so in the data, we basically have to map this particular link. Okay, so basically this is the link that we have to map. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just click on this mapping button. Click here, Google Drive, and here you will find the link. So I have mapped it, and let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the status, it is showing it as success, and this is the encoding. So basically we have to share or map this particular data here in this particular blank, Base64 encoding. Okay, it's actually pretty easy. So before we do that, let me just again click on connect with chat API to get the recent result. So this is the one. Let me just click on save. Okay, so let's start mapping. Now in the phone number, let me just click on this button, the mapping button, and you can get the data from this one, that is the trigger. Okay, so this is the phone number. Let me just scroll down and let me just figure out where is our phone number, or in case if you have trouble finding, just type 91 or something. So basically we will get the phone number. Yeah, this is the phone number that we want. We have mapped it. Now in the body of the message, all we are going to do here is we are just going to map the file. Okay, so this is the link of the file. Okay, so we have mapped it. Now comes the Base64 encoded. So basically we have to map this particular detail here. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Let me just click on this mapping button and let me just click on data transformer Base64 encode, and we have mapped it. Now in the title, let me again just click on this button. Okay, so the title was something like Java programming. Okay, so Java programming, let me just type Java programming. Java programming for kids, we have mapped it. Now in the description, we will just type some details. Hello. And here we are just going to map in the name. So the name was, I think, Tom Cruise. Okay, so Tom Cruise it is. Hello, Tom Cruise. Thanks for your purchase of, and Tom Cruise had made a purchase of 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees, 100 RS. Okay, the link of the PDF is available below. Okay, so this is the description. Hello, Tom Cruise, thanks for your purchase. Total price 100 rupees. The link of the PDF is available below. So basically when I click on save and send test request, it will send the data to Tom Cruise WhatsApp number. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the message has been sent. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the message. So basically, Tom Cruise will be clicking on this particular link and he will be directed to the PDF. Excellent. So the presence of this data shows that we have successfully integrated Shopify, WhatsApp and Google Drive with help of Pabbly Connect. So before we end this, let me explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize this action window. Okay, and I'm going to minimize this action window. I'm going to minimize this action window and I'm going to minimize this trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Shopify to Pabbly Connect and then you have integrated Google Drive to Pabbly Connect to share a file. Now there is something called as data transformer and you have used base64 encoding and of course you have connected with Chat API. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Shopify, Chat API and Google Drive.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.